So I just want to share with you the Starseed Quartz. Now all that means is they're markings that are on regular quartz points, and they occur every other face. So here are some starseed markings here, then there's a clear face, you're seeing markings on the other side there, then markings again on this face, and then a clear face, and then markings again here. But sometimes it is easier to see them in pictures or videos anyway from the other side. And it just looks like little pit marks that have sort of splashed across the face. And this one's maybe a little easier to see. See, this is a keychain. I just happened to find this quartz keychain and I was really drawn to it, and then I saw the markings and I realized why. Starseeds are great for helping us to connect to our star lineage. There's a lot of light workers out there and others who hail from the stars, if not everyone. And so these quartz points help us to feel more at home while we're here. Just trying to get these little pits to show up really well. It's like they came in and landed like a meteor on this every other side of the face. And I'll show you one more. This one's pretty good. Really see those markings there. And here. And here. So look for these starseed markings on your quartz points. See if maybe it's a natural thing that you're drawn to collecting. I certainly am. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out.